We are here today at Akrokerri, a high school, where we built our what we call our 3.1 or Annex Computer Center.
This center is an absolute model for what ICT centers should be.
Before this Makerspace, I've never get in touch with these machines before. I'm not able to operate it. I'm not able to create a robot myself. I now know how robots work.
This will be the 11th lab that we would have done, which has the Legos, the Arduino boards, also the 3D virtual reality system.
Right now we are having an IT lab to support our teaching and learning aspects. We are very, very grateful.
We declare the facility